winds and the lashing rain, they stood firm, their spirits unyielding against a storm. With Binanguran's full neck and the united efforts of the creatures of Brisbane, a barrier was formed against the raging tempest. Through their bravery and unity, they emerged victorious, their bond stronger than ever. As the rainbow serpent ascended back to the heavens, its radiant form disappearing into the night sky, it left behind a legacy, a legend that would be passed down through the generations. Today, we see them. Kombugara, the crayfish at Marta Hill. Wilwimpa, the windstorm near Roma Street Parklands. Kutha, the honeybee, towering up Mount Kutha. Muriel, the old auntie at Spring Hill. And Binanguran, the frill-neck lizard at Highgate Hill. The spirit of the Dreamtime lives on. The legend of the rainbow serpent Mundagara and the great battle of Wilwimpa, the wind spirit, became etched into the fabric of our land.